Hi, Pennington families. My name is Lindsay Harden, and I am the librarian here at Pennington. I'm going to show you real quick how to get to the Beanstack Challenge using Clever. All right, so in a Google search, just type in Clever, MNPS. Click on that top result. Log in with Office 365. Then if your student's email address is not already in there, you will need to find out what it is. You can email me if you don't know it, and I can email back with it. You can see this is mine, this is my son's, so it will look like this format, but I'm going to click on mine for right now. Your child's password is their first name initial capitalized, then their last name initial lowercase, and then their birthday in this format. Month, month, day, day, year, year. Okay? Here we go. Also, if you need help with that, email me and I can give you both email and password information. All right, so once we're in, you will not have to do any of these steps. Your kids' Clever will go immediately to where I am about to end up. So ignore all this. So this is where your student's Clever will pop up. And what you're going to do, man, I wish I could get that to go away. Give me just a second. There we go. All right, I want you to come over to the left-hand side and click on Libraries, and then click on Beanstack. All right. Great thing about Clever is it automatically logs them in. Also, when you click on Beanstack, this is where it will take you. So right now there are 3 different reading challenges going on. I would love our elementary students to focus on these 2, the Read for a Better World or Mr. C's Reading Club Basketball Challenge. So let's just click on the Read for a Better World Challenge and I'll show you how to log a book. Now, if you scroll down, you can see this is an overview of the program. It shows you right now how many badges, how many minutes, how many activities your child has acquired. If you want to see the badges, you can come back up here. You can see for every 60 minutes that they read, one of these badges that are in black and white will turn colorful. All right. But say you have read a story with your child, or your child comes home and says, "We read 3 books at school today. Can we log them into Beanstack?" You sure can. Any type of reading counts. Independent reading, books read to the student. So you're going to click log reading, even if they listen to like a play-away or listen to a book, that works as well. Now, you can actually start a timer and let your child read while the timer is going on. I have found that the easiest way is just to click on log minutes and just click what day it is that you've been reading. You can type in the title of the book. One of my favorites is Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. So sometimes when you type in the title, the book will populate underneath. Sometimes it will not. This one has, so I'm going to click on it. It will automatically put in the author. And then say it took me 15 minutes to read. All right. Now, you can write a review. Your child can write a review. It is not required, but that is an option if you would like to. If you don't want to, just click log. Good. And when we come back, it takes us back to this home page, and you can see, oh, give me just a minute. Sorry. Oh, I have to go back to overview, sorry. You can see now that it said that I've read 15 minutes out of 600. Beanstack's challenge is challenging all students to read 600 minutes a month, all right? Either read or be read to. So that's how you log your minutes into Beanstack. The top 3 readers every week do receive a prize from the library. So get your kid excited about this and enjoy reading together and logging your minutes reading into Beanstack. Thank you.